The Bitcoin dominance is finally look like it's crashing, guys. Bitcoin dominance does look like it's pulling back here just a little bit. We have altcoins dropping as well, even though the chart we're going to be going down. Incredibly bullish. But the reality of the situation is, guys, a lot of these charts, whether it's liquidations, whether it's heat maps, whether it's market sentiment, whether it is the Bitcoin dominance breaking, the news today is extremely bullish. And that's why we really are going to cover it a little bit, and we're going to be jumping into some live streaming or live trading with you guys for the first time. I've been promising you guys I'm going to be bringing back live streaming. I'm super excited. We've been having this bot built out for Duke. It is in collaboration with another developer that is absolutely outstanding, and I've been using it. I've been using it back and forth. And if Kelly, can you shut the door for me real quick so I don't have to yell like all day? Appreciate it, boss. And we've been getting this, this massive kind of rally for a lot of these. I totally spaced myself out. Kelly, can you shut that door for me? I totally accidentally left it open, homie. Thank you, boss. Appreciate you. I'm like yelling and the door's wide open. Everybody hears. But guys, okay, we're absolutely good for this. Let's hit this. So today we're going to be jumping into not only how to trade meme coins, what are we looking for? Yes, you can use this with altcoins as well. However, the bot isn't just ready yet. So I'm going to be using on the sidelines here a little example tutorial on this how this actually works. So right now we have some orders in, okay? We're trading a few different orders. We have an order in at 225 with a stop loss here at 340. I just actually entered this with our phone here, and I'll be pulling it up to show you guys in real time what we're doing here. We also have Sweeney. Sweeney was, I believe, hacked today, but the reality of meme coins, guys, is you just want to follow the volume, and you could trade in and out a lot of these projects and manifest here, which has been ripping. It's been ripping. It did actually a 2x since we've been watching this. I've been pulling these up live here. So I'm really going to be just showing you guys as we are preparing ourselves for this next rally, what's happening in the markets, what are we expecting in Bitcoin's price action, what does that mean for altcoins, but most importantly, how to stay safe when you guys are trading meme coins, how to properly manage and trade those meme coins, and most importantly, hopefully, how to profit the most out of trading. So I'm excited, guys. Make sure you smash that like button. Get excited. We're looking at a Bitcoin of $62,244. We have Ethereum here, $3,400. We have BNB, and we are bouncing a little bit. We came down to 61.8, I think, just not too long ago. Solana here, $152. XRP, 48 cents. This is my new home. Welcome, Jumpman. Well, we're glad to have you here, brother. Much respect no matter what. I'm just excited to be on this crypto journey with you, man. And I don't know why they would get rid of you, man. I don't. But David Frankie, we have Let's Go. What's up, Boot? How you doing today? Senza, I'm tired of things being bullish. Yes, I know, guys. You guys are tired of things being bullish, which is why I'm going to be trading live with you guys, showing you how these bots are extremely beneficial. If you're trading with a MetaMask, if you're trading with, it doesn't matter if it's MetaMask, if it's Phantom Wallet, whatever it is, you're really just doing yourself a disservice, because I could trade meme coins and set stop losses, limit orders. I could snipe different meme coins. And this is a sniping tool that we'll be collaborating with on top of Duke here. And it will be released here momentarily. I don't know if it'll be today. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow, but I know it is in the near term. So make sure you have those notifications on, because it's going to be a huge giveaway. There's going to be first, access to a lot of the users. And you guys are going to want to be able to utilize this. Why? Well, if you guys didn't know, okay, if you didn't know, Dex Screener just launched their latest announcement, which is Moonshot, another competitor to PumpSwap, and is another competitor to my platform, OmniSwap here, which is the dominant, by far the most superior platform. And that's because we are 100% fair launched. And this is, there's no team allocated. Liquidity is locked. When you have a bonding curve take place and you go crowdfund and you raise that, that $75,000, it goes straight to the contract instantaneously with a smart contract. Now, Dex Screener, of course, is a great project as well. The difference as well with us is you can launch this on Base, AVAX, you can launch on Solana, you can launch on everything. Are we good on the mics? What are we looking for? Oh, my green screen is bugging the producers here, guys. The green screen is bugging them here. So either way, what I'm going to be jumping into, of course, is how to analyze and look for a decent meme, how to analyze the Twitter, go through the Telegram. Because, guys, you have to remember a thing about meme coins. When we're trading meme coins, we're in and out. We're in and we're out, okay? These bonding periods are quick. They're fast. 99% of them are going to be rug pulls. Not everything could be the next Duke. Not everything could be the next Ponky. Not everything could be the next Brett, right? Even though Duke is king and we're absolutely demolishing things. And FOMO.io, if you guys didn't know this, check this out. Look at this. Clean version, guys. The website is almost here. It's being integrated. It looks absolutely beautiful. You can see Duke is being integrated. So, again, today we're going to be live streaming together. But first, we have to get through the news. So make sure you guys smash that like button. And, of course, share this with a friend that needs to learn how to properly risk manage. Telegram or Discord notification? Ding, 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 ding. It's all good. That should do it. I closed it. I think I closed it. Should be good. It was Telegram. It was Telegram. Yeah, it sounds like spam emails. So Bitcoin's falling here to $61,000, guys. Pulling back just a little bit. This is as, the Bitcoin liquidations, they were getting eaten up, guys. I told you on the morning show, right? What was the daily looking like? It was starting to, or the weekly looking like. We wanted to see us come down and eat some of this liquidity. And sure enough, we've created liquidity here down at $61,200. There's really nothing new in the updates other than if you guys are coming in, right? Remember this. If you look at the green side, and the green side's higher than the red side, markets are bullish, okay? If the red side is higher than the green side, okay, markets are bearish, all right? So right now, we are looking at what is known as consolidation. We are starting to eat up and watch market makers bounce between two price points before more than likely we have a major move to either the upside or the downside. Now, in this case, guys, almost all your indications are screaming bullish factors. The 7-day is going to be the only bearish one. And again, if you guys were here this morning, you would know that looks like a $60,000 Bitcoin, $60,000 Bitcoin. But when you zoom out to the 30 days, chat, when you zoom out to the 30 days, it gets extremely, extremely bullish. Okay? Extremely, extremely bullish. And Jay Shelton goes, how can you get tired of being bullish? You can't. But sometimes we like a little adrenaline, right? We need to be shocked. We need a little bit of, we need a surprise. We need that adrenaline rush that you're not going to get from being stagnant in these markets. And that's why everybody's like, oh my gosh, something needs to happen. They're getting bored. And that's why we're going to be trading with you guys. But liquidation heat maps, guys, look at this. 24 hours. We're going to refresh this. Massive liquidations opening up right below us at $61,500. But again, more opening up above us at 62.5 and now even above 63K. So that's looking more bullish than bearish. The 3-day chart. Okay, 3-day chart is showing us more, again, 61,300 if we come down and eat that here in the next day or so. Very, very likely. A ton stacking up at 64K. Where are we going to the month? You guys know where we're going on the month. We're going to see all of those liquidations building up at 64,500, 69,100, and even $72,300. So again, liquidations, chat. All you guys need to know, the brighter the color, the more liquidity. The brighter the color, the more of liquidity. And that is very bullish for markets, okay? Type 1 in chat if you understand that. Type 2 if you don't. Type 1 if you do. Type 2 if you don't. Because this leads us to a lot of TA, guys. Check this out. Titan of crypto biting $123,000 target. A bullish cup and handle continuation pattern is currently forming in the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. And guess what? The minimum price target is more than reasonable. Now, again, cup and handles can play out. This may not play out. I'm not the type of person to follow a lot of these pattern trades. However, I have to say, guys, this is something that I expect could happen moving into Q3 of this year. June and May were extremely fudded. They were extremely bearish. May was a very bullish month, but for whatever reason, every trader on Twitter was screaming for lower lows, 49,000, 55,000. Price never came, right? This is an incredibly bullish outlook, but I have to agree. I think consolidating, guys, look at this, right? Consolidating around all-time highs for as long as we have in comparison to what we're at for 10 days in the last cycle is extremely, extremely bullish for the future of these markets. Bitcoin's key stakeholders project a long-term bullish picture as 10-plus coin wallets have now accumulated an all-time high of 16.17 million Bitcoin. Wow. Ideally, we see buying power, dry power increase from Tether and USD coin holders to really open the floodgates for this crypto bull run. So what we're looking at here, let me click on this picture so you can see it a little bit better. We're going back all the way to January of 2024. So this is the beginning of the year. This is the first of 2024, January of this year. The green line here is all-time high. Bitcoin held by 10 plus Bitcoin wallets, 1% more accumulated in 6 months. So whales are accumulating. They are accumulating massively. 34.2% of USDC held by whales with $100,000 to $10 million worth, 2% less of supply is held compared to 6 months ago. So right here, you can see the downside action. The downside action. This actually, my bad right here. Let me go, boop. Let's click on that. That's going to be the blue line, okay? The blue line right here. There is 2% less of supply held compared to 6 months ago. 30.3% of USDT held by whales with 100,000 to 10 million USDT, 5% less held compared to 6 months ago. So whales are accumulating. Whales are accumulating at previous all-time highs. Here's a post by Morales Money. This is the title of today's live stream and is what is incredibly bullish for these markets, guys. We are looking at the Bitcoin dominance finally breaking. It broke out a little bit, and then ultimately, let me click on that. I didn't even realize this was a video. Check out this video right here.
If Bitcoin dominance breaks down, holy macaron, guys. This is basically where, you know, Matic did like a 200x in the last bull market, and we were in Matic at a few cents, you remember. And then it did the crazy pump. It was insane. It's like when XRP did 400x in 2017. If we see this kind of movement in the price of in the Bitcoin dominance, this is going to be basically what this whole bull market is about. Because if
So I don't agree with like XRP ain't 400xing again. XRP definitely is not 400xing again. But if the Bitcoin dominance chart, guys, does break out, which I drew out this months ago, a year ago at this point, this chart here, guys, this chart, we did break out briefly. This got everyone bullish. Every TA trader got extremely bullish because of this. However, came back up, retested it, rejected. Finally looks like we are breaking down. Now, this could be in anticipation of the Ethereum spot ETF. In my belief, it's that next leg up in this market. While Bitcoin might go to 72K or 75K in the near term, Ethereum could go to 4K or 4,200. Altcoins could do 50, 60, 70, 80% gains. So altcoins, while Bitcoin starts to bleed, right? Altcoins are going to go up in value. That is what it means when Bitcoin dominance crashes. So if you guys don't know and you're new to crypto, when Bitcoin dominance drops, altcoins like Ethereum pump, okay? When Bitcoin dominance rises, altcoins and Ethereum drop, okay? They aren't going up as high against Bitcoin. It means Bitcoin is the dominant mover in that traditional market. So very important to watch, and that Bitcoin dominance hasn't broke in a very, very long time. So we're very excited to see that would take place. That's not what he even said. I was reading it. Maybe I misread it. I didn't have the headphones on, so I was literally reading it off the thing. I thought he said XRP 400x. Maybe he said last cycle. But either way, I do agree with the Bitcoin dominance. I apologize if I misspoke on that because I literally didn't have the headset in. Maybe I should have the headset in next time. But is what it is. Yeah, very, very bullish. Currency inflation. Growth in the supply of select currencies over the past 5 years. Bitcoin 11%. Euro 25%. GBP, 26%. United States dollar, yes, has grown by 42% in supply, meaning you've lost half the value in your dollar in just the last 5 years. Russian ruble, 118%, and ARS, 1,926%. Insanity. For the record, I am the 50% treasury market cap by I am in the 50% treasury market cap by 2030. Bitcoin market cap equivalent to various prices. 100,000 Bitcoin equals a $2 trillion market cap. $200,000 Bitcoin, $4 trillion market cap. 350K Bitcoin, $6 trillion market cap. $1 million Bitcoin, $1 million. $17 trillion market cap equivalent to 50% of publicly held U.S. debt. Ethereum, $5,000 Ethereum at 600 billion, 10K Ethereum at 1.2 trillion. We have 20K Ethereum at 2.5 trillion, which is comparison to Google. So Ethereum to 2.5K and 50K. If you were to combine Apple and Google, I don't think we're going to go to that range for Ethereum. I'm not quite that bullish at all. I'm going to be more around the 5 to 10K level for at least this bull run. Okay, I think there's a lot of infrastructure plays. I don't necessarily know if it's going to be, you know, a $7-8 trillion asset, but you never know, right? You never know. And I'm a conservative, so I'm looking to take that. You know, if we go up 200%, I'm happy, right? If we go up 200% on Ethereum, and I totally forgot I have trades open right now. I got to check on because I did not set limit orders. I totally forgot and just went live. But either way, if Ethereum does a 2x, a 3x, or a 4x chat, we are all going to make a disgusting amount of money. Josh, last bull run, a lot of people thought Bitcoin was going to hit 100K. Nothing happened. Some put the blame on the fall of FTX. What price prediction on Bitcoin? What was price prediction on Bitcoin last bull run? I was actually never someone that thought I was going to go to 100K last bull run. That was because I saw everybody screaming for it, but it didn't. I thought we were going to go close, and we didn't get anywhere close, right? However, you know, this bull run, this time is very much different. You know, people aren't calling for 100K Bitcoin. They're calling for 150, 200, 250, 300, 1 million, right? I expect it to be extremely difficult for Bitcoin to break past 80,000. I think it's extremely difficult for Bitcoin to break past 90,000. And I believe before we see 100K, there's going to be a significant correction in the market. And I could be wrong because one of two things happens. Either we get what I want to see, which would be this. Let me pull up Bitcoin's price here so everybody that's watching understands what me and you are talking about. I would prefer, okay? I would prefer to see Bitcoin do this than this, okay? The reason for that is this right here is healthy. This would be due to the fact that there's institutional adoption. Companies are, you know, putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets. Maybe your sovereign wealth funds are integrating it into their balance sheets. You know, pension funds are integrating it. You know, adoption and Bitcoin DeFi take off. Maybe we reserve US dollars by 1%. I don't know, right? This would be healthy adoption. We get a big pump. We get a pretty decent correction. We get a big pump. We get a healthy correction. What would not be healthy for the markets? My biggest fear in these markets, okay? And it's not my fear because, let me rephrase that. My biggest fear for you guys, because if this, let me explain this, okay? Let me show you with the chart first. If the market does just this, okay? If the market just does that, which is what for some reason people believe is going to happen, they think it's just going to go, pff, it's going to be this blow off top. I think the markets are in a completely different stage than they were in 2021, especially 2017. We have multiple macroeconomic, factors at stake here. We have the largest presidential election globally in history. We have 3.4 billion people, I believe, voting this year. We have massive supply chain shifts. We have, Moore's law being broken, which means supply chains and technology is going to advance faster at a pace that we can't predict. Pandora's box essentially has opened. So if we do get that upside, amazing. Me, you, Gary the Lizard, Elliot, Bodie, Meltup, Ryan, Matthew, George, Rusty, Steven, Medhat, Jay, everybody in this chat, okay? The majority of you have been here, and if you're not and you're brand new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and stick around because you have so much to learn. But the majority of you have been researching and been through at least one cycle, or maybe you came into the middle of the bear market. What that means is you're going to be much more prepared for the top of the cycle than the 99% of people in the industry, because 99%, guys, when you get a blow off top, 99%, if not, it might be 95, but it's well above 95% of retail comes in at the blow off top. They came in right here at this little candlestick. They came in right here at this little candlestick. They sold this bottom. They came in at this little candlestick and they sold this bottom. Then they came in at this candlestick and they sold this bottom. That's what retail does. Right? That's why whales are accumulating right now. There's not a lot of volatility, which tells me that we have a significant amount of upside to go. But when we do get that volatility, that's my biggest fear. My biggest fear is all the people that refuse to buy here, 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 refuse to buy here. If we go to $100,000 Bitcoin, even 90K, even 80K, they're going to have missed out on the majority of the bull run. They're going to get wrecked because they're going to buy the top and they're going to have what is known as, what is it? Why am I spacing out the word here? Let me go to the market psychology. Market psychology. Here you go. Let me pull up the word here. What's the word? I'm not euphoria. Not euphoria. Delusion. They're going to be delusional, okay? They're going to be in delusional. What does delusional look like, okay? Delusional, open link, open image, there we go, boom. This is what delusional looks like, okay? Belief is here. So hope is where we're at now. I believe we're in the hope stage. I believe the disbelief stage, chat. I believe the disbelief stage, let me delete all this. I believe the disbelief stage was here. This was disbelief, okay? Maybe this whole sector right here. I'd probably put this entire sector, this entire range as disbelief. When we went up to $30,000, type 1 in chat if you remember this. When we went up to $30,000 for the first time, do you remember? Type 1 if you remember this. Do you remember people saying we were going to go back to 19K? We were going to go back to 15K. The bear market wasn't over. We're going to get a double bottom at 15,000, right? Type 2, if you remember anybody saying buy now, buy now, I'm going to imagine it's going to be all ones. Because I'm new here. I know DZ's been in the markets the entire time, so I hope Discover has been prepared for this. But it should be almost all ones, all right? Everybody was screaming for lower. I watched some of the most prominent crypto experts, I mean, they're self-proclaimed experts, crypto experts in this industry sell the exact bottom. Sell the exact bottom at $15,000. I swear to God, people that say they make millions, a lot of influencers in space, because surprisingly, most of their Lamborghinis and stuff you see and do, they're rented. They're rented. That's how it works, right? They go buy an Airbnb, they flex, oh, look at this $1 million home. Oh no, they're sharing that bedroom with 8 other people, right? It's a front. They want you to sign up for their trading course because they can't trade. How do I know they can't trade? They sold the bottom of Bitcoin. Okay? That's how I know they can't trade. So this was the delusion or the disbelief. This was the disbelief. No, you're wrong because they sold the bottom. They were embarrassed and they were wrong and wrong and wrong and wrong and wrong again. How many people did you see short the market, short Bitcoin, right? Now, where we're at today, where is the Bitcoin price at today? I believe we're in the belief, okay? I believe we're in the belief phase. The reason for that, I mean, even if you put this chart over it, right? You get that pullback. So we had that run up, we had that pullback. You have that run up, you have that pullback. This is belief, right? Or did I put that backwards? Let me slide this all the way back over. This is belief. And this is disbelief. So I can't type with this. I'm not going to even try to type with this anymore. Disbelief, hope, belief. I think we are in the belief stage. Everyone believes. Why? Why does Joshua Jake believe we are in the belief stage? I'm going to ask you again, chat, because I want you guys to be engaged with me. I want to know where you guys are at with this. I see a lot of ones. Type 1 in chat if you heard an analyst, an institution, a politician, or a content creator say they believe Bitcoin's going to 100K. I believe, they believe, we believe. How many of you have heard that Bitcoin is going to go to 100K? Okay. I want to see how much this is. Why is Duke getting clobbered? Duke's not getting clobbered. It's like actually had beautiful support, dude. We have no KOLs, new team allocation, and we're building. If you want, we're crushing it, man. I have actually updates for Duke here in a second. The bots and everything are coming out, man. Nothing goes up and to the right forever. It has to go up, consolidate, go up, consolidate, go up, consolidate. Very, 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 very healthy. Probably the most healthy meme coin out there right now. Okay, I see Kevin, Gary, Jay, lots of J's, Jay, Jan, Steven, Blunder. What's up, man? Yeah, everyone's putting ones, guys. Everyone's putting ones. And that's because, again, I believe we're in the belief stage. But what does that mean? What does it mean? Okay, Josh, we're in the belief stage. Great. When's it going to go up? It's not a matter of if. I think it's a matter of when. But this is the problem. The next stage is the top. The next stage is from belief to euphoria. So maybe it's 80K. Maybe it's 85,000. Maybe it's 95,000. I don't know what price point it is, but there's going to be a moment where we go from belief to every person on the planet that you're walking out, they're all talking about, oh, Bitcoin's going higher. It's going to go to 150K. It's going to go to 250K. It's going to go 350K. It's going to go to 1 million. It's going to go $500,000. It's going to go to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're going to break $100,000, right? We're going to smash through it. That is the euphoria. You're going to get that euphoria come into this. That is the problem. This is when 99% of your retail traders come into this market, okay? So that's my biggest fear. Why? Because now might be your last. I truly believe this. I made a stream, like when I put those, I'm serious. Now might be your last chance to accumulate crypto. Now, could I be wrong? Could we go to 150K, come back down to $100,000 and then move higher? Possibly, but I will have done 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 X's while retail is finally entering the market because they faded the entire bull run. And I'm not going to be that guy, and I hope you guys aren't going to be that guy either, right? Past that, you get anxiety, you get denial, you get panic, you get capitulation, and it rinse and repeats. It's a 4-year cycle or so. It's the history of these markets, right? So that's where I stand with this. Crypto's 2 favorite ETF analysts are split on the expected outcome of the Ethereum ETF launch. I thought this was funny. I think they're the same. Eric Balchunas and James, they're both about 20 to 25% in approval for this. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF positive inflows with 130 million. And of course, we have as crypto proliferates as an asset class, so too will the expectation of earning yield on those assets. Now it's easier than ever to build apps with staking capabilities using the Coinbase SDK platform. This is a unique moment in crypto to start building. Try it now. I'm incredibly bullish on Base. Shubaduki, guys, you can see we're on the Shubaduki account. We are built on Base, 100% fair launch. I am incredibly bullish. Can you guys still hear the... How can you hear the notifications? It's closed. I'm sorry, guys. Let me fix this. Let me fix this. Let me make sure no one's blowing me up for the right reasons. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to close this. There we go. Open. Night mode. Settings. Notifications. Desktop notifications. Taskbar. Allow sound. All right. They're closed. I hope they're closed for you guys. I apologize. I thought they were off because I had Telegram closed. I don't know how you could have still heard them, but man, you either have tinnitus or it was just dinging the whole time, and now I just feel completely bad. I feel completely bad. But either way, we got it, and let me go ahead and now pop out this. Open a new window. Close that. There we go. We good? Type 1 in chat if we're good. Type 1 in chat if we're good. 4 to 6 months. Too many people are very bullish. I agree, man. Every time you hear a notification, say ding, ding, ding. Oh, look, I just wanted to keep you guys awake. I wanted to keep you guys awake and irritated, baby. That's what I wanted, guys. Hit that like button. I appreciate you all for just being here overall. But on top of this, guys, tokenized treasuries. Man, I talk about tokenized treasuries every single day. They're bullish. Buy Ondo. That's what I'm saying. Ondo is going to change lives. I think Ondo is one of the most bullish platforms out there. I think, you guys call me. I'm 2 kings. I'm the Ondo king and I'm the Duke king. That's because we know the future of these markets. That's how the story goes. That's how the story goes. A name floated as possible SEC chair in Trump administration. Dan Gallagher, chief legal officer at Robinhood, former SEC chair, commissioner. Make of it what you will. So a name floated out as the SEC chair. Wow. Chief legal officer at Robinhood could be the new SEC chair, replacing, okay, Gary Gensler. Replacing Gary Gensler. Now, I actually have to move over here to the trading charts, guys. We have to go to the charts. We must go to the charts. Why do we need to go to the charts? Well, what is this? Manifest that's actually the one we didn't enter. We entered 2 projects live right before this. We entered Pumpcat right at 2,000, so it's almost up 100%. And we entered Sweeney. And let me show you guys that we entered these. Here you go on the screen. We entered with small little positions. Let me beep. I don't know why it's like blacked out, but it's $245 now. I put in 0.5 ETH and 0.1 ETH into Pumpcat. So I've been using this Telegram trading bot, which the Duke one is launching, guys. It's coming out very, very shortly. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, and you want to use it. Okay, make sure you wait till it's coming out. Whether it's in 24 hours, it's coming, right? We've been testing it. I've been using these bots. for a while now, and this company is amazing. These devs are badass, and they're doing something huge for the Duke community. I'm talking monumental for the Duke community. So if you're worried about, if you're like, oh, what's happening to Duke's price? Look, I'm not the price guy. I'm the guy that builds. I'm the king that delivers. Okay, that's what we do with Shuba Dookie. That's why KOLs love it. Well, not necessarily because they want to get, they want a lot of money. But either way, right? We're 100% community oriented. There is no team allocation. The 4 wallets we have are all publicly disclosed completely for you guys, and I'm using Duke simply as a mascot for the products that we're building. This dev actually reached out to me, and they're going to be creating a bot where there's a referral system, but now every time somebody uses their bot, 5%, there's going to be Duke integrations and everything, 5% of all transactions, chat, are going to be going to buying Duke on a market buy and burning it. And we're actually creating a whole mempool, so there can't be any arbitrage trading. It is beautiful. It is amazing. And it is incredibly bullish because now, for the first time, guys, I'm able to teach you how to properly trade meme coins and these markets. Markets are evolving. If you're using a MetaMask, if you're using a Phantom wallet, you're actually going to be front ran by 90% of the industry when you're trading meme coins. So I'm going to do a little test here, okay? Type 1 in chat if you've ever bought a meme coin with a MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, Phantom wallet, whatever. Type 1. Type 2 if you use a Telegram bot, okay? Type 1 if you use a MetaMask. Type 2 if you use a TG. Type 1 if you use a MetaMask. Type 2 if you TG, right? I'm probably going to see only ones in the chat. And that's very alarming. And it's not your guys' fault, right? I honestly think a lot of creators, a lot of traders, they just haven't kept up with the times. There is a lot of that are great out there, but this is going to allow us to trade much, much quicker and in a much more efficient way. And the beauty of this, guys, the beauty of this, again, is this all goes to supporting Duke. Everything goes back to supporting Duke. Duke is a movement. This is a community. This is just us. This is just us. Look at this. 350,000 locked in liquidity. We have a little bit more locked. It's a community wallet. We're going to do burning events, and it's all going to be locked up, but 100% was launched at, and then I added another 150K for you guys after launch. We're at a 4.3 million. This is just us. Volume is consistent. The transactions are consistent. We're growing in holders. We have more user engagement. We have more followers, more holders, etc. Everything is up. CoinW listing right around the corner. We have massive giveaways events and Twitter spaces we'll be doing with them, all with just you in the chat. Just the community, just you and I, no insiders, no KOLs that are, shilling it up a stream. It's only organic. If there's a KOL that's out there talking about, it is organic. The one person that's collaborating with us, and he got 0.1% of Duke, that was it. Is Ty Crypto, and he's going to be doing a lot of Twitter spaces, and he's been a huge help for the community. So that's really it. Everything else is completely community driven, and I am incredibly proud to be a part of this with you guys. So I'm stoked. That is what's happening over there. But let's go ahead and look at Moonshot. So let's teach you guys how to trade, okay? You can do this on OmniSwap. OmniSwap, I recommend, is the best place. If you guys are ever thinking about launching a meme coin, or you hear about somebody that's launching a meme coin, or you're talking to devs that you're in alpha groups and they need a place to launch, you can launch any meme coin in 30 seconds. Simply create a token on ETH, Base, Arbitrum, BNB, and Fraxel. This is the crowdfunding platform. Solana is coming soon, and you can launch on Solana directly from just OmniSwap by clicking on the homepage and going to OmniSwap. We're on OmniPump right now. Okay, yes, they're two separate. I believe they'll be integrated in the future, but one's a crowdfunded platform. The other is just a straight token deployer. You can do it in 30 seconds. So why am I telling you about this? Okay, well, one, we're up to 45 token launches. So shout out to you guys. Over $500,000 has been, in terms of market cap, has been built on this bonding curve. We've had 2 people actually make it to Uniswap now. It's an amazing platform, 100% fair launches, cutouts 90% of the scams in the industry. This is what bots are used for, okay? Let's go over to Pump Fund. This website's ugly as shit. This is disgusting, okay? This is disgusting. And actually, really quick, I got to double check the trade. Double check the trade. I just got dinged. I think it's sold. This is Pump Cat. Let me see. Did it pump? Ooh, did it fill? I think my order filled. I'm not logging into the PC because I have multiple things here. Hasn't filled just yet. Let's look at Sweeney here. Big red dildo. This is meme coins, guys. This is meme coins. So we're still at $245. Let me re-register it. I think it just dinged. It just dinged. Let me refresh this. Menu, start using bots. Your sniper list, show limit orders. No, they haven't filled yet. They haven't filled yet. Cool. Perfect. 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 Cool. We'll come right back to this then. We're going to come right back to this in 2 seconds. What was that sell order? Bro dropped a 900 bomb. That's a minute chart, by the way. Minute chart. Also, here is FOMO. FOMO's launching here. FOMO's going to look really, really good. Really, really good. So let's go back to pump. So what are we doing? Okay. What do you use these bots for? All right. What you use these is to find early projects. And I'm going to show you how quick this is. Okay. I'm going to show you how insanely quick this is. Now, the bot, once it's out, we'll be able to actually snipe. But what you want to do is simply look on pump.fun. I know you guys do this. You guys are degenerates. You're going on Twitter. You're hearing about, getting alpha, projects that are launching, etc. Pump.fun is disgusting. It's ugly to look at. And I can't use this user interface. So there's a new one, okay? There's a new one on Deck Screener called Moonshot, okay? Moonshot. All you're going to simply do on deckscreener.com, go over to Moonshot, and you're going to be able to see what is trending that day on these bonding curves. Now, there's 2 ways you can approach this. One is we could try to find the next trendiest meme coin. Maybe it's Mbappe, maybe it's Pepe Mouse, maybe it's Ponzi, maybe it's Talk the Dog. We want to find something that's getting and kind of approaching the bonding curve here. So Moonsnake is the top one here approaching it. It's trending. Let me go to top here. Let's click on it. And this is what a bonding curve looks like. Okay. Once it loads, you'll see this. There you go. Notice how it's just up. It's just up and up and up and up and up. This is because it's in the bonding curve stage. Once it reaches 100%, it's supposed to lock the liquidity, and the token goes from this platform to a DEX. It's supposed to get listed on Radium. It's supposed to get listed on Jupiter, or maybe it's Uniswap, or maybe it's Base, right? It is supposed to be listed. So what you can do with bots now, guys, and I'm just teaching you guys this. I'm not going to do this one live. I'm going to just trade live with you guys. You can now take contract codes. Like, for example, maybe I like Snake, and this is just for educational purposes only. Please don't go FOMO into this project. It could be a complete rug pull, okay? What you would do is copy the contract address. You would simply pull up the menu, put in snipe, and simply put the address into it. And let me refresh this because I think I outfroze it. Refresh. Okay, let me grab the contract again. Contract address. Put it back in. Start. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, yeah, guys, you have to hit menu and then start first. Put the contract address in. It's going to pop up. Okay, I've been using this all day. Why is it struggling? Well, this is embarrassing. You guys are supposed to see how this worked. Let me reclose it. I don't know. That's probably on me. I probably spammed it too many times. Go back to... Oh, yeah. There. What the heck? That was weird. It popped up. So, pair for token. Okay, here it goes. I glitched it. It was on me. It was on me, chat. I spammed it too quickly. So, you're going to see, I put that contract address in here in the bottom left. You see it? Oh, look to the right, right? What you're going to look at, it says pair for token not found. Bot will buy when liquidity becomes available. Maximum SOL for buy, 0 SOL. Enter maximum amount to buy. So what I would do right now is simply put maybe 0.01. You can put whatever you want in there, right? You can put whatever you want into that platform. 0.01, 0.02, a full ETH. Or a full SOL. I'm not going to buy this project because it's probably, I don't know how I feel about this. I have not any research into it. But now what will happen is when it gets listed and that liquidity is added to a DEX and it gets listed to Radium, it will instantly buy it for you. That is how powerful that tool is on these bonding curves. So you could, even though this isn't out on the DEX yet, it's in the bonding curve. You can still buy it and it'll instantly purchase for you. Now you got to learn slippage. There's a lot of things you got to learn to this, but that is the power of this tool. You can front run the 99% of retailers that are waiting for the contract address to get listed, and then they have to copy and paste it over into their Phantom wallet. Then they have to use their Face ID, put in their password, click paste, and then hit buy. right? We're talking anywhere from 30 seconds. 30 seconds in the bot world, guys, is like a year of, that's how much faster you are. That's how much in the future you are compared to trading. So it's a really, really cool tool. So let me show you what I'm simply going to do. Okay. I'm going to just do buying and selling. We're going to do buy and trade today. We're not going to be sniping right now. We're simply going to buy and trade. So what I'm looking at here is meme coins. And I just want to teach you guys how to properly do this. And it's going to be really fun. I think it's going to be really engaging for us. You guys are probably going to watch me lose a lot of money. We might get rugged a few times. We're going to trade meme coins. We're going to have fun with this. I want to be getting in and getting out of trending projects. So what we're looking at here, guys, in the top left is going to be the DEX pairs. And let me close this because I'm going to put this here. We're going to click on new pairs, and I'm going to navigate the industry today on top trending projects. So if you're in chat right now and you see a new upcoming project, let me know, right? Let me know. It was the contract address. Yes, 100%. If you have a project you want me to look up, let me know. What I like to look for is projects that are going to be, of course, on the 6-hour time frame. They've been out for at least 1 or 2 hours. You need at least a little bit of time behind it. And I want to find the products that they're trending. So you can see that today, Landlord is trending. Now I am actually mad I didn't buy this one earlier because I was messing with I was messing with the trading tools, and I watched it go all the way down here. I was literally watching it here. I didn't get in, and if you look at market cap, of course this thing ran, right? This thing ran. So it went from a 450,000, it did a 3x at one point today. Okay? What I like to look for is projects like this. This is going to be a great example. This is a decent meme coin. It doesn't mean it's going to be here for 3 days. It doesn't mean it's going to be here for a month. It doesn't mean it's going to be here for 4 years. I have no clue. But what I'm looking for is 100% locked liquidity. Okay, so you can see liquidity right here is massively locked. It's a $1 million market cap at this point. It has a banner, so at least the devs on the meme coin, the devs that built this, are putting a little bit of effort in. This looks customized, which is, again, that's just that much more effort, confirming maybe this won't rug instantly. And what I want to do is go over to their Twitter. I want to go in their Telegram. I want to see, do they have followers? Are they posting? What are they posting about? 4,000 likes, 1 million market cap reach. Next stop, 10 million, right? 100 likes for one of their first posts. This is pretty cool. Landlord. This, I guess, is the landlord, so to speak, of Pepe and all the boys club memes, right? So this one did really, really well. The Telegram was hyped. They were buying and they were jumping in. And if you were able to, okay, if you were on Moonshot, what I would have been looking for would have been this product starting to tick. By the time it was at a $200,000 market cap, it would have popped up as a trending altcoin or a trending meme coin on this platform. And you could have bought it with the trading bot, with the TG bot at the snap of a finger. You just copy the contract address, you put it in, you put 0.1 SOL, and check this out. I'm gonna do a live trade here with you guys. Do a live trade. I want to show you guys how cool this platform is. So, for here, we're going to look at meme coins are all retail. Meme coins are all retail. And usually where it wicks, it likes to stick, right? We have a massive crazy buy order there for no reason. It might be about to break out. So I'm going to copy the address, I'm going to pull this up right here so you can see it. And let me pull it up in a separate chat. So you don't see all my DMs. Let's go to open a new window, pull this up, drag it down. I'm going to copy and paste I'm going to re-hit start before I mess up again. Re-hit start. Menu, start. All you do, guys, paste the address in. So once you hit start, you paste the address in. Now it's going to ask me with my wallet, which, am I in the wrong one? We're in the right one. All it's going to ask me, buy 1 SOL. Do I want to buy 5 SOL? Do I want to buy 1.5? Do you want to enter how much you want? I'm going to simply just buy. We're going to do enter buy amount. Let's do this. Let's just do 1 SOL. I'm going to do 1 SOL. I clicked on buy 1 SOL. I have 36 SOL in or 37 SOL in my wallet. It's now instantly, I don't have to confirm anything. It instantly just confirmed, swapped my Solana for Landlord. Okay. Do you want to buy more? No. Close. Okay. So I do not want to buy more. You can see my order came in right here instantly. That is way quicker than any DEX are going to use, right? You could see the power that has if you're trying to be first to buying a project, right? So this is the tool we're launching like tomorrow. So get excited, get in the Telegram chat because it's going to be in the Telegram. If you want the Telegram bot, let me go ahead and share it with you guys right here as that plays out. Let's go to Twitter. Let's go here. We're going to go to It's Joshua Jake. join the Telegram. I'll be putting the bot tool. You're going to want to use the one we have because it's going to be beneficial to Duke. So if you're a Duke holder, you want to use the one that is launching for us because it's going to burn the transaction fees. The DAO we're working with and collaborating with, they're amazing. They're amazing. They're giving us not only a referral rate, but they're doing, this is the only time they're ever going to do this. It's an exclusive partnership or a collaboration where 5% of the transactions that are taking place from you guys using the bot, which is free, like again, you could just use it here, 5% goes to market buying Duke and burning it. So you need to wait for that to come out tomorrow. But of course, let me play it here. Why do they keep changing it? Who keeps unpinning my tweet here? Boom, copy link, join that, okay? You're gonna enter a $500 giveaway. You're also gonna get a cool airdrop, but that is where the first user access is gonna be. And I also give all of my calls in that Telegram. So if you guys haven't been in that Telegram yet, actually, it is really, really cool. Really, really cool place to be. If you guys wanna watch us trade, we have live trades every single day. Let me go to, where's my Telegram? Here it is. Boom. Let's go to, this is Joshua Jake Journal. Here it is. What the? There we go. Joshua Jake update. So we have 111 members right now. It's free to join, guys. You just sign up for the Coin Telegram link. But if you guys go through here, we have Coinbase or CoinW's top crypto traders. They're top crypto traders doing TA and constantly dropping alpha. I'm putting all my calls, all my swing trades, all of that is going to be in here with my updates, with exclusive content. Of course, the airdrop and bot are going to be in here too. I'll be doing meme coin calls and that type of stuff in here as well. So if you want access to that, it's completely free to join. It's in collaboration, again, with CoinW. But again, you can see we're putting scalps, we're putting swing trades, we're putting, spot signals. Am I buying and holding for a long period of time? We had one of our analysts just drop this one today, the asset ZK. Really, really, really bullish indicators on maybe being a spot hold, buy and hold. Here's us buying Arbitrum. Arbitrum here looking for a decent gain off Arbitrum. It's at major, major support. Really, really cool place to be. If you guys are in there, go check it out. Let's go back to the bot, trading bot. What the heck? There we go. I couldn't grab it. I couldn't grab the trading bot. Boom. Cool. Any question on link to Telegram, please? I just put it in chat if you guys can reshare it. Hope y'all aware. Well, I hope you're doing great. That looks bullish. Incredibly bullish. Seems good. And what's the good that comes out for us Duke holders? I think I explained that. If do you guys realize what it does? You guys realize what it does? I hope you guys realize what it does now because it's incredibly bullish. We got some other announcements coming out too, but you got to stay tuned. Got to stay tuned for that. So here we go. Let's go ahead and look at this. Pump is back up. So pump is actually pumping right now. This is actually looking pretty bullish. There's some volume coming back in right here. You can see that volume trickling back in. But it is on the decline. So I'm probably going to take profits on this one here in just a moment in the trading tool. What you can do to pull this up is really cool. Let's cancel that. All I have to do is go to show limit orders, and it's going to show I have Pumpcat, I have Sweeney, and I haven't set a limit order yet for Landlord. So we just bought Landlord 2 seconds ago on another right here. And so there we go. Look at that chart, right? We broke out. We bought right here at $660,000 market cap or so. It just broke out of this pattern trade here. I'm going to imagine it probably comes up and fills up an imbalance here. We could be looking at a 30 to 40% gain here. Bots are eating up the system. So what I would do here, guys, now that we broke out, we had a great entry point. Very, very good entry point. What I'm going to do, watch this. This is really cool. I'm going to grab the contract address, bottom right corner, Landlord, grabbing the address again. I'm going to paste it back into here after I hit start. There we go. We're going to paste it back into here. I think I have to use it on full screen. I think that's the problem, chat. Yeah, let me do it on full screen. I think I'm breaking it from doing the outskirts because every time I zoom out of that, it breaks it. Refresh. Bum, 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 bum. I'm pretty sure it's because I'm moving the Telegram around. You don't want to move that bot too much. Just leave it on your screen. Here we go. Yeah. I can't close it. I can't close it out. So let's zoom this back. Boom. Okay. So what we're looking at here is I put the address in. It spammed it. Yeah, see? Okay, so don't close that. We're getting a massive breakout. We're now up over 10% on the price action. And what I can do, you can see I have exchange Radium Landlord for I could quick buy, quick sell. But look at this. Limit buy and limit sell meme coins, chat. Limit buy and limit sell meme coins. So I'm going to set a limit sell, okay? I'm going to sell 60% of the portfolio right now for a 30%. Oh, let's see what. Before I click it, let's get this exact metric. We're going to go for 10. So we're already up. We're at 10. So let's go for 20%. Select percentage up from current price to sell price point. So we're going to do 30% right there. Boom. So I clicked on 30%, and now you can see that I have a limit sell order to take profits. So what this does, it actually is even better and healthier for the chart. If I set a limit order, what that means is now I'm going to sell into other buyers. So instead of market selling and bringing the price down, it's going to keep the price at where it's at, but as sellers sell into that price level, it's going to remove 60% of my position. At that point, I still have 40% left. I'll probably take another 10%, whatever it is. We're going to see where the price action goes with this chart with you guys live here. We're going to just do this live. This is fun. Which, by the way, guys, let me know if you like this. I know it's a little bit all over the place, but with the Duke bot, it's going to be much cleaner. I'm going to have the referrals. I'm going to be doing this live. Do you want to watch me live trade? Do you want only news? I feel like doing a little bit of news and the live streaming and getting the degeneracy and just showing you guys how to properly trade and, risk manage and be safe with how you actually perform and execute a trade is very, very beneficial. But let me know if you guys like this type of stuff and, hit that like button if you love it. Muchamis, what's up, man? I know what it does. Said what it does. Yeah, buy Duke, more Duke, maybe. Yes, I love Duke. Just go short Bitcoin to 56K. Look. I'm enjoying this big time. W. All right, cool. Just not tatting too much. No, you're all good. By the way, it's 4th of July. I'm expecting people to be with their families. But yeah, we're about to do, I've been trading this, guys. We have $6,000 in the Solana portfolio. I've been doing this all last week. I started with $2,500. So we're up a lot from just simply doing this. And I'm going to show you guys step by step what we're doing every step of the way. So we are getting that breakout here. We're now up to 1.05 million. Again, when you look at that buy order that we put in, we priced 0.15. We were right here. So we're now up 13%. So our order will fill. Our order will fill at 1.2 million. 1.2 million right here. I've made a full ETH or a full SOL almost off this trade. Let's go to horizontal and let's put the trade there. So that is what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for. And again, we're getting some bullish volume candlesticks. This was a huge one. So usually, again, where you see that wick, usually it sticks. This might get eaten up. I expect this to come up here. I don't know if we'll break through this. We might. This is an interesting pattern formation playing out here. But again, we're on a minute chart. This is a minute chart, guys. Look at the 5 minute, right? This is ugly. This ain't pretty. This is generally ugly. But higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's bullish still at this point. Still very, very bullish for landlord here. Might take off. But again, if we take that 60% position, we are out with a 30% gain. We're at almost break even. The rest is pretty much house money. And we keep taking advantage of it. Here we got Pump. So Pump actually this is showing a lot stronger support than I thought. This was another meme coin that we entered here with only 0.1 ETH earlier today. It is now worth $127. $127. So we are getting that's crazy. That's up that's up a lot of money. Sweeney here was a rug pull. But this is the beauty, guys. What did I notice about Sweeney? I noticed the liquidity was locked. So I know that liquidity is not going to get pulled out from underneath it. They can't pull the liquidity. So what happened here earlier today, Sweeney, look at this buy orders going every second. Buy. What I'm expecting is maybe a buy order to come in here. Sweeney, I'm taking a chance that she tweets something out. I was like, oops, whatever it is. But degenerates are going to keep trading this. We're looking at something that went from a $3 million. It went to $5 million. $4 million market cap, came all the way back down to 250,000. I entered right here at 330K or so. And we're looking to see, again, some upside action here. And I would just take profits for a 2x. Again, guys, these meme coins, this trading style, in and out. I'm looking to make profit, get out. Make profit, get out. You know what I'm going to do with that profit? I'm going to use CoinW I'm going to put my money on there and I'm going to buy Ondo. That is what I'm going to do. All right. That is exactly what I'm going to stack my Ondo bags. I want so much Ondo. I don't know what to do with it. That is exactly what I'm going to do with my Ondo bags here. So $400,000. Sweeney's getting a little bit of life right here with the minute chart. Let's go back to pump. And again, while we're doing this, we can now go open up. This is the beauty of the trade. Let's go open up another dex. Let's see if we can find anything else. Let's see if we can snipe anything else on these markets. So going back to new pairs, we're going to go look at, again, we have Pumpcat. So look at this now. Pumpcat number 5, Sweeney. I'm in all the top projects essentially. We're in all, so let's try to find another one that's just starting to move, right? Just starting to move. 6 million, 64,000, Cloud Kitty, Billy. Some of these are older. So what we're going to do is newest. I want to go to newest. 3.5K. These are too small. What I don't want to do, guys, is jump into a product that's too small or too large. You want something that's got a little bit of volume, a little bit of kick into it. Generally, I like to see the $200,000 range. What's this one right here? 100K cream pie on base. We're going to move away from that one. I want to do Solana. Let's go to Solana. Let's just go to newest on Solana. New pairs on Solana. 400K. Holy smokes. Did Sweeney just rip? Sweeney's going, boys. Sweeney is going. We might have to sell our Sweeney here in a second. How much is one soul right now? One soul is 152. So we're up like 40 bucks on this trade right now. Landlord's up a lot more. Pump cap dropping here. Let's see. There goes landlord. How do you think Trump wins? How will we behave? Trump took, we don't even, I really don't want to talk about politics right now. If you watch that last debate, dude, there's not really a perfect choice. Who dumped $21,000? Someone just dumped 21K on Duke? No way. Who's the piece of? No one dumped 21K. Why would you scare me like that, dude? Bro's trying to scare me. We had some Jeters last night. For you guys that don't know, when you see, by the way, I do want to talk about this. If you guys ever see those portfolios that this guy is finally almost out. Holy smokes. When you see it like it says 0, bot 0, but PNL 190,000, that's because they are using trading bots. And it could be literally hundreds of different traders just using 1 inch or something. I put out a tweet update for you guys on that earlier today. So just a heads up there for you guys. Let's go to, okay, guys, Landwolf, here we go. Okay, Landwolf's crushing it. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Landwolf is going crazy, actually. So we're now up from 150 bucks. We are up roughly 22% on Landwolf right now, and it is about to close. It is about to close. It's about to ding our first sell order. So you're going to watch this hit right now. You're going to watch this hit right now. So let's see Landwolf actually get made right now, and if not, we'll set a limit sell, and we're going to take profit for 15%. Either way, this is the goal, guys. $40, $50. $40, $50. You do that 3-4 times in a day, like we're talking like decent money here for trading just off meme coins, and people have no idea to do this, right? People, look at that. Boom. First take profit just executed. Save sell limit. Let me go to menu. Let me go to menu. Start. Let's go ahead and look at our show limit orders. Pull it up. Man, this is running. This is running right now. All right. Cancels out. Let me grab the address. Throw that sucker in there. Here we go. I am going to sell. There we go. We'll just sell the 60%. It wasn't triggering, so I think it hadn't hit it yet. I think we're at 29%. There we go. That's our sell order right there, guys. That was our sell. So we just sold 60. We just sold 60%. 60%. Swap fit. Wait, why did swap fail? Solana's trash sometimes, man. This works. Swap done. There you go. Yeah, it was just because it's Solana. You guys see how bad Solana is? Like, your transactions just fail like half the time. But there we go. 60% sold. Let's get some W's in the chat. There's a quick $40 right there or so. And we still have skin in the game. We still got 40% lift in this. We'll see if it runs up, and we'll take the rest of the profits along the way. 0.01 buys and sells. That is something weird with this coin or not? No, you could just do 0.01s if you want. But 0.0... Oh, no. Sorry. Those are bots. Those are bot transactions. Those are bot transactions. That's all that is. Mobile is going crazy. More to come. Let's freaking go. Landlord, not Landwolf. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, it's Landlord. It's Landlord. But look at this. So generally when you see bot action, there's a lot of market makers involved. And honestly, we're probably about to see a major run right here. So what we're looking at, let me refresh this. We just took $100 in profit. So let me show you guys this. Okay. So let's go to... Yeah, so we just took $100 in profit, and we still have $80 left. $80 left in there. So we're gonna watch what this market does. Right? Honestly, I'm just gonna probably take a ton of profit on this. We'll probably make a Solana or two off of it. So that was a great play. Sydney Sweeney, getting a little bit of kick again. Okay, I see Sydney Sweeney pumping in the portfolio right now. Sydney Sweeney, we're up $60 on right now. In Pumpcat, I'm still. It's kind of like just hovering. It keeps almost breaking out. We're up 30% right now. Wow, this is insane. This is a lot of money. So that's going to be a total. We're probably going to make about $300 on this trade right now, chat. $300 right now live. In the last hour sitting here. The bot for Duke gamer, hop in here. I believe you have to hold like 20 tokens, but it's going to be really, it's going to be accessible to anybody. Literally accessible to anybody. Let's go to my Twitter. Can someone repost it in chat? Here, I got it again. I got it. Here we go. So join this. So it's in my CoinW Telegram, guys. There's already 111 early access people. You got to sign up for CoinW. It's non-KYC. You enter $500 giveaway as well as our Duke campaign here. And that will be dropping in our Telegram hopefully in the next 24 to 48 hours for you guys. We'll be live streaming with that all of next week is my goal here. I want to be live with it all day long, every single day. And we got, let me see. There we go. Let's do it live. Just don't get liquidated for 16K live. No, I'll never. I'm too conservative, dude. I only traded like a Solana max. Josh, what slippage are you recommending for this? I was using 3 to 10% for memes. I use 1%. So if you want to adjust your slippage, guys, what you're essentially going to do is go to menu, start, slippage settings. You can see that current buy and sell slippage, which is all I'm using, is 1%. Snipe slippage is 10%. The higher slippage, the more unlikely you can get MEV botted, and you want to be cautious with that. If you're doing low trades, it doesn't matter. Like if you're doing like $40, $50 trades or a soul trade, like like what you'll see is transactions fail sometimes, but that's just Solana's network. Boom. Okay, so there goes Landlord. Landlord dropping a bit here. I'm going to sell the rest of this position. So what we're going to do is enter, and I'm going to take the other $60 so that way we can close this massively profitable. All right. There we go. Look at that. Swapping the rest of it. So we just made I'm going to tell you how much money we just made off that in 2 seconds. Swapping done. Boom. There you go. 0.45 souls. So we bought 1 soul and we made 0.4. So 0.4 soul. 0.4 soul. Okay. 0.4 soul is, we just made $61. $61 off that trade. $61 off that trade. That was it. That was literally it. $61 off that trade. Here we have, of course, we're still sideways on pump. I might just break even on that, like low key. It's kind of like not doing much. Volume's dying. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this one right here. So let's go ahead and grab Pumpcat. Let's go ahead and put Pumpcat into the market right here. And let's go ahead and I feel like as soon as I sell this, it's just going to go rip. We're going to sell 100% of that. Wait, what? Pumpcat here. Pumpcat, sell 100%. Why is it saying landlord? Swapping 367 landlord for Sol. Let's reset that again. Oh, guys, I need a Red Bull. I need a Red Bull. Sol is nice. Sol's trash, dude. Every transaction fails. Like on Base Network, bots are just like clean. They're smooth. Duke is like just beautiful. It's seamless. No, you go to Solana. Every other transaction fails. So watch. Here we go. Let's put in the address. Let's sell 100%. Swapping. Again, look at like it doesn't even make sense. It should be close. Menu. Start. Refresh. On. Sell 100%. There we go. Yeah, Solana's just trash, dude. I stopped trading on Sol 3 months ago right after Pump Fund came out. Yeah, dude, Base is so much better. It just doesn't, your transactions don't fail. There's no weird glitches. There's not nearly as many rug pulls and scams. I mean, there still is going to be, but Solana is just like the cesspool of it. Swap is done. There you guys go. So we got 0.7 Sol out of that for us here. I think we bought 0.4 in the beginning of the day. I'd have to go check it out. We've been holding it for a minute here. This was the first buy. But yeah, 0.7 Sol right there closing in on us. The last one we have open is Sydney Sweeney, okay? This is going to be the last one that we have open, which is actually up quite a bit. It's up quite a bit. And was that landlord just going crazy? There it goes. Just ripping. Rippity, rippity, rippity. So let's go to Sydney Sweeney again. We're up on this one, so we're gonna close out of her too. That sounds so terrible. That sounds terrible. That sounded bad. I'm sorry. We're gonna go out of Sweeney. We're gonna sell 100% market cap. W, dude. We just made a lot of money on that. Swapping pump. Close. So on Solana, you have to restart it, refresh it, re-hit it, and then you get to go. And then it just there it goes. Yeah. Sweet. We've made just like 150 bucks right there. Let's fucking go. Let's effing go. There it is. $300 right there. There's our account. W. That is what we call a good day, chat. That is what we call amazing, chat. You can make $50 to $60 a day for means for 5 days. That's an extra $250 a week rollback. Yeah, I mean, and all you really do is it takes some talent, guys, and you're gonna learn this with me here. But what we're looking for, okay? What we're looking for. I'm gonna get hype music tomorrow. We need to get music. We need to get excited. You guys can't be sleeping, okay? You can't be. You can't be. But what we're gonna be looking for is new pairs, and we're just gonna be taking advantage of the system. We're gonna be looking at the ones that have locked liquidity, the ones that have a little decent of an engagement. And again, you're looking for these new projects, guys. When they launch, they automatically trend. So this is stuff you have to know. Like for example, Pumpcat here, even though it's at 280K, it's number 6. And you have to realize every single retail trader is looking at this, clicking on Pumpcat, and going, "Oh, this looks good. How do I buy it?" Well, they usually copy the address, they put it into their MetaMask, and then they're trading without the bots of transactions, the systems and everything. So this is a very efficient way to be able to be in and out of meme coins instantaneously. You also have the advantage by setting a limit and stop losses, right? You can limit buy orders, limit sell orders, and you can snipe bonding curves for the experts out there when you're ready. And we'll be doing that with the tool once it's ready. So that is huge. Can you prove a new trade? Yeah, I mean, I just did 3. I just did 1 live with you guys with Landwolf. Landwolf was, we literally made that live. That was completely live with you guys. But let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can find another one for this stream here. We have Spike here at number 8, 41 million market cap, way too high. Oh, that's that dinosaur. 700,000 for Mao. What I'm going to go ahead and do is switch this. Let's go to new pairs. I want to see what's just now launching. Another Sydney Sweeney just launched. It's, or not still Sweeney. 840K, 500K, 300. That's a bullshit scam. 266,000. Pump. So notice, guys, Pump Cat. Notice this. Pump Cat chat is now down to 25. It is losing volume. That is not. That's bearish. That's, you want to be out of that. That might have been a great opportunity for us to get out. 268 here. Liquidity. There's no liquidity. Look at this right here. Okay. What you want to notice is there's no liquidity in half of these. I want to look for the ones with decent liquidity. So you can sort it by liquidity here. 61,000. That is Pump Cat. I keep going right back to that one. 76K is Manifest. Let's see if we can see anything on Manifest. 100% lock liquidity. Lower low, lower. Well, higher low. Is this going to be a higher low? Let me see what we got here. Let me see what we got here. 2.2 million volume. I don't like to see that volume is dying massively. So what I'm going to watch on Manifest right here is a breakdown one more time to like this 3 cent range. And again, what we're going to look at is market cap. So it's sitting at $400,000 market cap. What we're going to want to look for, and this, was this a double bottom? It actually double bottomed here. Could have been a double bottom right there. So maybe we're going to get, let's see. Let's go to, I'm trying to find its Twitter. So there's no Twitter on this one. Manifest, they have a Telegram. Let's go to Manifest token, not out. 85 subscribers, very, very small. Not the most bullish play. I'm not going to, let's leave that one up for a second. Leave that one up for a second. Let's go back to new pairs. Let's go back to newest. Let's go back to liquidity. I want high liquidity. 100,000. Kim Kardashian, $56,000 market cap. Their liquidity is high. How is that possible? Well, that's, I guess, 61K. Pokemon, 91,000. What's this? What is this? That looks like a scam. When you see this, guys, usually you can't sell. Usually you can't sell out. So, yeah, this is, run away from that. Run away from that big time. Buy baby Duke and Duke all day, every day. Bird Eye, so I was using it at a time and it worked great. Buy Sugar, it launched through OmniSwap. What platform do you use to track new projects? This is Deck Screener. This is Deck Screener. So we're really looking for the newest on top of Solana. So let's go back to Solana here. Let's go to liquidity. Let's go to top. Frog, Chewy. We have Chewy. Too big of a market cap. 400,000. This one. Ben Toter. Don't know what the fuck that is. Excuse my language. Moonshine. What's this? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. We might be kooking with something. We might be kooking with something. Let's go to Twitter. Beer has been distributed worldwide, but we prefer harder stuff. Okay. Terrible. Dun, 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 dun. 500 people in here. Oh, this is old. Yeah, this is old. That's too old. Let's go to, there's trending, last 24 hours, new pairs. Honeypot, W bro, I love this kind of stream by you. Please do more. Dude, we're going to be doing these all the time. all the time. I'm going to be doing hype music and have all the bots and stuff, so we're going to be screaming and getting excited, but I want to show you guys just this week a little bit of a taste. A little bit of a taste here. So let's go to 2 million, 1.2, 586. These are like the sweet pops. So we got Wet Cat here. We got Manifest still. We got Pumpcats back up just a little bit. Manifest down to 4. Let's look up Manifest again. Manifest is interesting. That volume is just dying. I don't like that. So we have Billy with hat, Landlord. Wait, did Landlord just collapse? No, dude. No, it's up. What the? Oh, it's not the same one. I got scammed. Oh, this is funny. This is funny, dude. F Sage. That is actually hysterical. That is hysterical. Man, they really want Sage to launch, dude. They really want Sage to launch. Man, what is happening here? What is that? There's massive sell walls at that. Look at that sell. Sell. This is I don't trust any of this. What is happening here? That is sketch all over it. Pump Dog. These are too low, guys. Yeah, there's really not another meme coin I would trade right now. Hi, baby, your Telegram is messed up. Why is my Telegram messed up? The ratio between locked liquidity and market cap was crazy for that one. Yeah, that wasn't good. That wasn't good. That was not good. That was no bueno. No bueno, my guy. Mike O'Hearn, 6,000. Yeah, it's really not another one I would trade right now, guys. 550K. Like, I would maybe Wet Cat. See what this is. So newer. Again, it's being botted heavily. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that volume's kicking up. Let me go to this one. Top 8. Nah, guys, that's what I got for you guys tonight. I don't like these ones. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like them. We made $250 live with you guys. So what we're going to do right now is simply hit that like button, guys. Appreciate you for watching. We've been live for over an hour and a half. But, you know, I'm glad you guys enjoy this type of stuff. So what we're going to do from now on is, of course, we're going to get the music. We're going to get hyped up. We're going to do live trading. The first 15, 30 minutes, it's going to be news. It's going to be fundamentals. It's going to be growth. It's going to be, you know, this is what's taking place in the markets. And then we're going to hit this with degenerate live trading. We're going to be using perpetuals. We're going to be using CoinW. We're going to be using trading bots on this because not every day is going to be meme coins that we want to touch. That is how we're going to be able to touch these markets and play them through. Watch me say that, and then this absolutely just rip right now. Absolutely just rip back up to all-time highs. Guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the Telegram chat. If you guys haven't jumped in the Telegram chat, make sure you do so, okay? There is an initial one, okay? You're going to join the initial one, but you have to join and fulfill everything. Just hit up the mods. The mods will help you with everything, guys. It's very simple. You just sign up for CoinW. You get access to the other group, okay? There is a in group where you have to do all the verification. The ones that are going to qualify and get early access are going to be in the actual Telegram. So make sure you join the Telegram. Hit that like button on the way out, and we'll see you guys in there later tonight. Peace out.